Google or Facebook or YouTube, the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington Car Wash Man, Motorhome Wash Man. Over here by the Port Angeles College. Today, we're doing some extreme pet hair removal today. She has 2 small dogs, and she lends her car out. And the people that she lends her car out has pets too. So we're going to use pet hair in all of the cracks, crevices. But I may not be able to get every single pet hair out because they're hiding everywhere. But I'm going to get most of them. And I'm going to do an after video too. I've already started. Very nice car. If you get one of the services, well, the mini detail package, pet hair removal is usually $10 or $20, a little extra. But you get you get the pet hair removed. That's the main thing. You know, she had a complaint that when she opens her doors, the hair actually goes into her mouth. So I'm gonna fix that. So give the car wash man a call. Set up your appointment. And you know, if you're fighting and battling pet hair, you know, get your mini detail package every 6 months. Comes with the outside is going to be totally washed and cleaned, door jambs, everything on the mini detail package. Anyway, I'll be taking an after video. You guys have a great day.